Listen up.
Last time when you want to feel the people. Every day another fairy tale about heaven.
Yeah.
You know see the people, them a suffer upon earth.
Yeah.
Them a pray for 400 years and that no work. Police killer you, the mother come to you balling. You tell her about say a fiend, time of God calling.
Yo, I that them do for real, the dog. Think about it. Listen to what the man has say. Bumbleclee. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Right now at midnight. So this video, it's one of the videos I'm gonna post for you today. So the first video of the day, it's just post midnight, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, shit, I don't care what time. Anyway, so I have Vybz Kartel, Vampire. I don't know how to expect, you know, people. This song just dropped. I play a game, I stream Fortnite. I left my little brother and run off the stream like a real general out there. So Ryan, big up yourself on the stream. I say, scum, big up yourself on the stream. What's up on the stream? Big up on yourself. Anyways, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post later today. So, I guess just the reaction right now. I don't know what to expect from this song. And as recently my video, so I get black again. So sadly, I start the pause boss thing again. Run through. Alright. Wait, I made that instrumental somewhere already. Vampire. Hold on, wait. I know this instrumental. There, I know this from somewhere. That's not me. Like I know this. I've heard this already. This is a remix, yo. But I'm not sure. Let's go though. Let's go. If this is off his new album, guys, I'm not sure. Remember, he's dropping a new album the 25th of June. That's how you know I really do pay attention. Let's go. Your wife is the you them so far. Who no set of vampire? Damn. Okay. No wife is the you them prosper. Your wife is the you them so far. Who no set of vampire? So you know he's gonna start flowing lyrically hard as hell. Like you know, you don't expect it, right? Since that build up is epic, right? Oh, vampire. So let's see. No, obviously with them process. So let me see. This is a song pertaining to people who's like turning the youth them into criminals. You just gotta think about it. This song just posted, people. I've listened to it before. I didn't listen to it. My little brother, as you can hear, is on the stream, so I don't know what to expect from it. I'm just like thinking. Now let's go.
You turn the youth them in a criminal. Look how the ghetto say that devil fit for animal. Then you use the media demonize the garrison. So when you kill the animals, it come in like nothing.
Why is the man say you turn the youth them in a criminal? Look how they get to say that devil fit for animal. Like from my art, you must sit down and run back in that throne, look at it and so how they say people ready. You use the media demonize the garrison. Yeah. So when you kill the animals, it come in like nothing. 100,000 youth a year at graduate school. Them even have 1,000 job to get the youth. Oh no look. Wait. Talk facts, rude boy, talk facts. 100,000 youth a year at graduate school. I don't have 1,000 jobs, not even 1,000 jobs to get to use them. That's why I got turned into a criminal, a rob, and that's why me there up on the YouTube thing, right? I grind and I work. 10K subscribers I go for people. Subscribe to the channel from the new for the first time here. Mr. Consistent, them call me. At 12 o'clock at night, I make that video here. Run through. He said the people giving up the tool. They understand the eyes of treachery, the gift of you. Oh no, vampire. No one fi see the youth them prosper. You want fi see the youth them suffer. Who no set of vampire? But I like to know who the message are really directed to. Is it directed to the government? Is it directed to someone specific? Is it directed to the teacher? You understand? Who it direct to? Right now, if you don't like that song, I'm going to see, yo, which emoji? Alright, which emoji are the best emoji for that touching song like this? I don't know. Just comment in the comment section here, man. One thing about the song. Run through. Oh no, vampire. No one fi see the youth them prosper. You want fi see the youth them suffer. Who no set of vampire? Last time when you want to feel the people. Every day another fairy
fairy tale about heaven.
Damn, no, whoa. So can't tell them say they believe in a God then. That's a go on. But then check it out, brother. Listen. Honestly, me not go church, but for real, like, Pastor, why do you fail the people for real? Every day you tell them something for real and I fairy tale about heaven, about you go to heaven and heaven, this and heaven, nice. When you think about it, when I'm just related that in a song a while ago, think about it. Weird, though. Run through.
People, them a suffer upon earth. Them a pray for 400 years and that no work. Police killer you, the mother come to you balling. You tell her about say a fiend, time of God calling. And that the church and the state combine for you.
Yo, no, makes a song here? You might have to go play over the party of the man just say a while ago about, yo, Jano dog. Run it now.
You no see the people, them a suffer upon earth.
Listen up.
Pastor, when you are to fear the people. Every day another fairy tale about heaven.
Yeah.
You no see the people, them a suffer upon earth.
Yeah.
Them a pray for 400 years and that no work. Police killer you, the mother come to you balling. You tell her about say a fiend, time of God calling.
Yo, I dad them do for real, the dog. Think about it. Listen to what the man has say. Bumblecleat. Yo, people. Right now, I want 100,000 likes on that video. I don't want 100 likes. I want 100,000 likes on that video. I have to rate the song, dog. Let me know when you rate the song in the comment section, dog. Listen to the one, man. I have to go back. I have to run it back again, dog.
Police killer you, the mother come to you balling.
Yeah.
You tell her about say a fiend, time of God calling.
Jano.
And that the church and the state combine for you.
Yo.
Turn the people in a sheep, but the meat not inherit nothing. Oh no, vampire. Now I feel see the youth them prosper. You want to see the youth them suffer. Who no set a vampire? Who no vampire? Now I feel see the youth them prosper.
Star Adi. Respect for the song. That song you shot. That song you slap up road. When half respect Adi, you know half it. I if you not say Gaza, that song you know half listen. Half it. Bombona.
You want to see the youth them suffer. Who no set a vampire? Watch them upscale them and live them dirty life. Mother with the son, father, breed the daughter.
Yeah.
Hypocrite with no other
Why is the
fight.
mother with the son and father breed the dog? Bumblecleat dog. You don't have to respect the Jerry. You don't have to respect Adija Palmer the word, but Jano Star. Me know say this come out for the album. Me know this come out for the album. Me know, yo, listen.
Get up people like your barber, hypocrite we know your file. Get up people like your gardener, hypocrite we know your file. Get up people like your helper.
Look at them. Get up people like your barber. Rich people them come gather. Get up people them fish them. Get up people them at the garden. Get people that cut them flowers. Get up people them come in them house, come clean up them house. Help the old people them in the rich people them. Cartel dog. Brother. Who you think? Jano dog.
Get up people know your file. Get up people know your file. Get up people know your file. Know your file. Know your file. Vampire. Now I feel see the youth them prosper. Now I feel see the youth them suffer. Who no set a vampire? Who no vampire? Now I feel see the youth them prosper. Now I feel see the youth.
Song bad. People, viewers and subscribers. Thank you all for checking out my video. If you have made it to the end of my video, I want you to comment 1 in the comment section. Confuse the crowd. Comment number 1 in the comment section. You understand me? I'm going to go back to the stream right now. So if you're there on the stream, if you're there on the stream last night, want to comment my little brother name because I must know it. I'm out.
So right about now, you don't know so famous, and right now me represent for Tyrekejt vlog. You know what I mean? Regular yard man just like me, live a foreign. Him do daily vlogs and all of them something there. You know what I mean? So you can go check out that. Him do music video reaction. Yo, me not lie. The music video reaction there. Yo, something wrong with the brother, you know. Him sick in the head. I swear to him sick in the head.
Buckley. What hard? I'll be okay, shake. Yeah. What hard, the dog? I'll kiss and shave man apart. Wait.
Cock it up all in at the parking lot of Carib. You couldn't believe what you tell me that she married. So yeah, Keisha brother.
You know what I mean? Support him YouTube page, subscribe and all of them good stuff. They follow him for Instagram, Jamaicans. And we are going to take over YouTube. Remember me telling you that. Big up on yourself, mad move.